everyone, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps. We're going to be using our ellipsical gel press today. This is one of our 3 brand new products that we've just released. These are exclusive to Lavinia Stamps, so you won't get this size anywhere else. And we've got a lovely oval gel press, and it's got a protective side on the top and the bottom, and then we've got our leaflet there that tells you all about cleaning, storing and how to use, along with a couple of the illustrations. So it's always worth keeping your gel press safe in the pack, because if you leave anything lying on top of the gel press, it can sometimes damage it or mark it. So I'm going to start with some acrylic paints on this, along with one of our stencils. We've got Haystack. You only need a small amount, you don't need much. And then we've got Berry Berry. Now if you haven't got these colours, don't worry about it, you can use any other colours, that's not a problem. So nice thin layer, and then we're going to pop our stencil over the top, and I'm going to just press that in with the gel press. Okay, and then we're now using Peacoat, which is a nice dark blue. And then using a smoothie, I'm just going to dab over the top, over that lovely detail. And then taking a piece of paper, I'm just going to pop that over the top, take off that excess again. And that in itself gives you quite a nice print there. And then let's just grab a bit of a tissue as well, just to take out any more that I've missed. And now all we'll do is peel that off, like so. Now we need this to be completely dry, so it's worth waiting a couple of minutes. We'll use the nougat, put a small amount on again, and this now will pull the print. So we want a nice thin layer, and then taking our multifarious card, I'm going to pop that over the top, smooth that over, and let's see what we've got. And there it is. So it's giving you a really nice effect, really nice print. I'm going to trim that down now. It's just really nice and simple as it is, to be honest. I am going to put a few words though. So I'm inking up in Warm Breeze. And now I'm using Twilight with the word faith. I think I'm going to leave that there. I've still got some acrylic paint on my smoothie, and I'm going to just take that down the edge. Just to kind of just distress it slightly. We can always use our Posca pens. This is a red wine, and we can always add a little bit of detail, you know, just a few circles or lines. Once you've started, it's hard to stop, isn't it? Okay, so now I'm just going to go around the edge using my glue pen, following that line around the leaf all the way around, like so. We've got some of our metallic bronze mica minerals. When you're using the glue pen, it's always worth just letting it dry a little. It becomes more tacky. And then all I'm going to do is just follow that line that I drew with the pen. And this mica powder, it's more like fine crystals. It's not an ultra fine powder, and it's so effective when you actually buff it up. It looks more like it's been foiled, to be honest. And I hope you can see that. We're going to be using our oblong printing press, and we're going to be using our acrylic paints with one of our stencils that's been designed especially for this size. So I've got Antarctic, pop that down, and we've got Venice Blue, which is a lovely blue. And I'm just going to blend those down the gel press. I just want a nice thin layer. And then taking our leaf, pop that on top, and we're going to roll that So now I'm going to use Peacoat, which is a really nice dark blue, and we'll use a smoothie just to dab So again, I'm just going to take that excess paint. Using the tissue, I'm just going to make sure that we get all that ink out. Let's have a little look, see what we've got. So now I just need to pull this off. So I need another colour. I'm going to use Nougat, and then I'm going to just blend that. And this time I'm going to use the cream multifarious card. And let's see what we've got. And there it is. I think that looks really nice in blue actually. We've got some words. Art is a story waiting to be told. And we've got our other words here as well. And this time I'm going to ink up in the Warm Breeze. And we'll do the monarch as well. And stamp off with the word faith. I think those few words just make quite a big difference. Now I've got some acrylic paint still on my smoothie, so I'm going to just go down the edge of the card and just kind of distress that edge. Now we can think about what we want to add in to this. And I don't think there's an awful lot that I want to do. I will use the glue pen just to go around the edge. I'll just put one line up there and one inside there. And let's have a look. I think we'll use the gold on this one. Well, it's called crystal gold, so it's slightly coarser. And when you buff this up at the end, it does really look lovely. It's almost like a foil. So I'm just going to take that over the edge now. So just having a play with these is something completely different for me. Almost out of my comfort zone really, but it's good for us to do that every now and again. Try something different. And then I'm just going to give it a little bit of a buff. And there we go. I hope you can see that. And I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. Bye for now, guys.